Dear parents and students, Namaste. Warm greetings from all of us as we meet today. As we embark on the virtual journey, we at the Millennium School, Greater Noida West, hope that you and your loved ones are safe, happy, and healthy. It has been quite a tough phase, and we appreciate your staying at home and following the social distancing norms so well. More appreciation for our students who have stayed home in this lockdown and tried to make the best of what has been available to them within the confines of their homes. These are testing times which have come and will go, but will definitely leave its imprint on the canvas of our lives. When the Prime Minister declared the first lockdown, the entire country came to a standstill. But finding good in bad times is what life is all about. Families came together. Parents and children started spending more time with each other. It was nature's way of telling us to stop and introspect. It gives me great pleasure to see so much unity and strength. We build a strong nation for the generations to come and have set examples for all to remember. What we as the Millennium family missed most was the interaction and smiles of our students. This has kept us going even today. After the lockdown, the schools were left with no option but to connect with the parents and students digitally. Fortunately, for the unique pedagogy of the Millennium Learning System, learning is never restricted to the confines of the classroom or to the pages of few books. It is all about experiencing and learning from our day-to-day activities. Believe me when I say that this phase has not only been tough for adults, but for students it came even more as a sudden shock. We truly abide by the fact that time is the best teacher and healer. We now see our students more apt and ready to begin the journey of learning through a different module. Taking a step forward, we have now decided to begin our students' learning journey by launching our well thought and planned virtual classes from 8th June 2020. While we have been sending worksheets and answer keys regularly, we feel our students are now all geared up to take on the sessions through our virtual school. To enhance our students' skills and to keep them engaged and not occupied and to keep them connected through technology, we at the Millennium School Greater Noida West have tied with Microsoft Teams to run our virtual classrooms. Our staff has been well trained to function through this software and is all ready to meet their students virtually. Keeping in mind the safety and security of passwords, data and systems on which students will come live, Microsoft Teams has been found to be really good. I will now ask the coordinator, Ms. Ajita Tyagi, to run you through the basics and guidelines of Microsoft Teams software. I welcome you all once again to the virtual world and wish you happiness and good health now and always. To begin with, Microsoft Teams training, you need to remain logged in with the same ID. We will resume in the next 15 minutes. Thank you once again for your cooperation and support at all times. Thank you.